would say it's always the right time for customers to contact us. But because autonomous freight is already a commercial solution, customers who engage now can shape how autonomy fits their operations. They can secure early capacity and be ready as autonomous freight scales. Over the past years, we've deployed Autona Freight in commercial operations, building the operational ecosystem, the safety, and the customer learnings needed to move into a scalable model. That experience is what's now embedded in our solution. We're expanding our autonomous lane network in close collaboration with our customers. On long multi-state corridors, like the 1,000+ mile route between Fort Worth and Phoenix, autonomous trucks can operate beyond traditional hours of service, enabling customers to utilize assets in a completely new way. This unlocks value that traditional operations simply can't match. And we're also enabling end-to-end operations, with the autonomous trucks driving directly to the customer sites. This makes adoption both simpler and faster. At the same time, we're meeting customers where they are. Autona Freight is available as transport as a service, the most streamlined way for customers to access autonomous capacity from day one. But for those who prefer to run their own operations, we're also introducing a model that enables customers to operate the autonomous trucks within their own fleet. The assembly of the Volvo VNL Autonomous has started at our new River Valley pilot plant. This positions Volvo at the forefront of industrializing this new technology. These aren't bolt-on systems. The autonomous technology, redundancy, and the safety architecture are fully integrated from day one, giving customers a purpose-built, validated, and OEM-supported product that delivers high reliability and better long-term performance. So yes, the timing is right to be at the forefront of this industry transformation. The shift is happening now, and at Volvo Autonomous Solutions, we are ready to support our customers in their transition.